Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. I just got some friend mail. Well, from Amazon. So if you know my friend Christine from Life with Christine, which you know I will leave in the description box, she and I collabed for the gluten-free gals. And it was hot today, so I pulled my hair back. So you know. So we recently did, the first one we did was bread, right? Makes sense, right? Because I sent her bread flour. I have bread flour. We use bread flour. The gluten-free bread flour from King Arthur Baking Company. And then the second one that we recently did was bagels. Now, I put a garlic herb goat cheese in mine, and she did an everything bagel, which is great because I want to do that one next. And we made ours a little different. So she's like, "You're expecting something tomorrow from Amazon?" Girl, what'd you do? So she and I joke around about that. Like, I don't expect none of you to send me anything, that's the whole thing. Right? She's like, well, this will help you with the bread. Of course, I'm not going to show you the other side of the packet. That was stuck to me. Oh, that's so cute. Girl. What is that? Is that a magic bread wand? Is that for spanking your loaf? Now I'm going to crack some weird joke. This is really cool. I have to look up what the hell this is. So let me do that while we're sitting here. So what Amazon allows you to do is it allows you to, if you see the picture thing on there, that actually allows you to take a picture of the object. Trying to make sure that code isn't there in the way. Now, like I said, it allows you to do that. Oh, this is for making Danish. Girl. They're different prices, but they're not bad. $8.99, $6.99, $9.99. Those are not bad. Those are not bad at all. Girl. The other thing you do is scan the barcode that's on it, and that will tell you the person that sells it, the vendor, and how much it cost. I'm not going to do that. No, I'm not Danish. So we're making Danish next, huh? I think that would be cool to make a gluten-free Danish. The measuring flour, girl. We got to use the measuring flour, or sometimes what I like to do, and some of you know this, is I like to take the King Arthur pancake flour, because it already has vanilla in it. And if you know, and no, I don't have any makeup on, that's the color of my skin. It's a light brown. That you would know that I take apple and some extra cinnamon and a little extra vanilla up in that. And I literally make it into a pastry. Why? Because that shit tastes good. And it makes people happy, because that's something that you don't just have to eat as a dessert, because the apple in it. So because the apple in it, I had to pause for a moment. Because of that, you can eat that for breakfast, you can have it as a snack in the middle of the day, or you can have it as dessert. You can have it any time of the day, but Danish, yes. You know, I haven't had a Danish pastry in a while. So that'll be interesting. So she and I will have to figure out a month. We're not going to like force a video because that's not how we are. We both have health issues. We both like to coordinate it with each other. We don't push each other, especially when it comes down to collabs. Because, you know, people have other things to do in their life. You know, some people have jobs, some people are disabled physically, and may not be able to do something during the day. Or you may be in too much pain because of your disabilities, which is fine, and that's why we don't press each other to do stuff. And so yeah, thank you. This is gonna come in handy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this. Absolutely. So anyway, remember, good friends sometimes just surprise each other with stuff. And she and I were laughing about it last night, which was fun. It is always great to have a friend that you can laugh with, because be like, oh, I need your address. Be like, okay, well, I need yours too. And that's how it started out with, I want to use the sheet mask tonight after a shower. So, yeah. So I'm gonna see about using one of the ones Christine sent me anyway. She sent me sheet mask because it was something that, you know, she did with Mary Catherine from Mary Catherine Loves Cats, which I'll leave linked. I can't remember the other ladies they do that with. But it's always good to have a friend that can help you out with something, because if you watched her video, and if you haven't, you need to go there and check out all of her videos. She sent me the sheet mask, and I sent her gluten-free graham crackers, which she did dip with chocolate, and apparently those tasted better, because sometimes gluten-free stuff isn't made right and it tastes weird by itself. Just say it. And then I sent her the bread flour, and I sent her the pancake mix. And, you know, I was like, you know what, let me just help her out, because it didn't cost more than maybe like $20 something for those things. And it's well worth it. And, you know, it's always good to stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And keep your friend as a blessing. And remember to respect those who have patience with you. Because we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Because I'm going to be editing this anyway, I saw for King Arthur that this is actually a dough whisk. That's what it says on Amazon. I know you can't really see that too good. But it's a dough whisk, and this will help with bread. So again, thank you, Christine. You're tall.